if you want to check the activation date on your OPPO Find X9, what you can do is you can open Settings, scroll down over here in Settings and open Google. Now over here you can tap on your profile and then choose Google account. Wait a couple of seconds. After that, we can scroll down and find your devices. So let's go over here. And after that, you should be able to find your OPPO Find X9 if you are using let's say the first account that you actually signed into on your OPPO Find X9. So let's select the phone over here. You might need to verify yourself with biometrics or screen lock password. And then we have the first sign-in date. Now, of course, this is accurate if you actually check with the Google account that you used for the first time on your OPPO Find X9. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.